doesn't get much better than this. What do you do?
How was your speed?
Finally arrived at the fort. That wasn't exactly our plan for today, but since we were in Shigar to fix the tire, we decided to visit the fort.
There we go, we get the tickets.
How much were the tickets, tell us?
Well, it's only €1,000 each.
€1,000 each.
1,000 Pakistani
Rupees. Yeah, if it was €1,000, it would be one.
€3.
It would be one expensive trip.
€3 each.
This fort is made in 1634. 1634, and this founder is Hassan Khan Amacha. So this fort is 400 years old fort. Yes.
That's not that old.
Inside the fort.
Mind the step. It's a steep staircase.
This where there are different religious symbols. First one is Chinese snake symbol. Yes.
Okay.
Second is Hinduism symbol. And third one is Muslim symbol. 2 doves smell 1 flower. That symbol of peace. Fourth, Buddhism, lotus, sun, and last one is pyramid. Yes. So there are many different religious symbols. Understand? Come on. Watch your head. There are many different things are here. All time things. This is the cooking pot, and that's one the cooler. Yes, that is made by single piece of stone. Yeah, single piece. Yes. Single piece of stone. That's got a big rock inside. Yes. So you see there are different jewelries of queens and another women's jewelries of all time that is made by silver. Yes. Basically this is the kitchen of conference room. So this is tawa roti.
Or for also making
so
it.
that's made by stone, and there are cups and lamps, many different lamps, and with this one big spoon. That's our food, and this was a lamp. You see, there are around the holes for around lightning. Yes.
Right.
And that spoon, that's stone as well?
Yes.
Yeah?
No, that's timber, right?
Wood.
Wood, yeah.
Yes.
Who was living in the fort? Was it the royal family of Pakistan?
Yes, royal
family
family.
of Pakistan.
Yes. So there are many different letters. You see these letters that is write in Persian words, Persian language, and this is a religious poetry that write in a Balti language. That's local language. Yes. Safe, and this is made by wood, walnut wood, and these keys has a special pattern. That's 1, 2, and 3, and that's open, and you see this.
That's some piece of
Yes,
ice.
you see these here boards.
Wow.
Yes, that keys is inside. Oh.
He's trying to figure out how to break this.
There's only one.
Yes. It is the storage box that store dry fruits. Yes. In this is the jewelry box.
How big is that?
A lot of jewelry. Oh, a lot
This
of
is
jewelry.
small. So this is the polo stick.
Oh yeah, you're right
This
for
is
horses.
Polo match. You see polo match?
We didn't. We wanted to see in Skardu. Yeah, I know it's traditional here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You visit all time. So second time.
Yeah.
Okay, you put.
You play,
sit
Martin.
down.
All he needs a horse.
Sit down.
He needs a horse.
Just sit down and take a picture. This is the
The mosque.
of all time. 300 years old mosque.
So people still use it every day.
The
Prayer.
only king family members prayed here.
Okay.
Yes.
But now men are allowed to pray
Yes.
like ordinary men.
And that's all fort is here. Yes. There is
Open the
700
top,
years
yeah, you
old
can see
fort.
the rocks.
That's made by Buddhist Dynasty.
Okay.
Yes. There is
How high is
the
that?
king is Raja Goritham that built this.
Okay.
This road is
Find it wrong.
this route. This
Oh, you
road,
go
yes,
up the
hiking
mountain.
route.
Yeah, you go high here.
Sunche Hasir Khang, try this. Sunche
Small kitchen.
Hasir Khang. This is yes, this is the
okay.
kitchen of a family member, the king family members. Only king's family members cooked here and dining. Yes, this is plus dining.
Beautiful. Mhm.
And that is the old pressure cooker that made by copper in city system.
Oh yeah.
It's evolution. From stone to copper.
There's called samovar, but is used for thermos. They put on the chai.
Yeah.
Yes,
Keep
chai.
warm.
Yes. So this portion is so hot koila, you know.
Yeah, yeah. We've
Yeah.
seen similar in. We were in the other fort now, in Kaplu. They had similar one. Yeah.
This one is Queen Street.
Oh, okay.
Yes, this jam is very famous, and that one is a mulberry.
Mm-hmm.
This
Yeah, I can see the
mulberry
fruit
tree.
growing. Yeah.
You eat mulberry?
Yes.
You see this the back side of this pot. You see this the big rocks
Mhm,
to make
yeah.
this pot. And these woods used for earthquake proof. You see these woods
Yeah.
are used for earthquake proof. Earthquake.
Earthquake, yeah.
Yes,
Mhm.
earthquake proof this wall. And this is the cherry garden.
Salam alaikum. The garden is lovely.
Cherry means doors, so there has 12 doors. Yes, but doors are very spoiled, and this change convert into these 12 pillars
What was the function of this building?
as a rest.
Rest,
the king
okay.
rest here
Okay.
only. Yes, this base is the original part, but there are
That's
all,
new. Mhm.
all renovated portion.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the
These are
Serena rooms.
The rooms, yeah, we
Yes.
were actually thinking of staying here, but we changed our mind. It's nice.
So our tour is complete. So you enjoy this tour.
What's your first name?
My name is Tesserali.
Kasserly.
Yes,
Tesserali.
Tesserali. So you enjoy this
We
tour.
did very much so. We thank you for showing
Thank
us
you.
around the fort. So this old maple tree is apparently hollow inside. So we will go in and have a look. Beautiful. And it is apparently 400 years old. And they burned the inside of it, so I go and have a look at the whole inside.
Bye. You can leave here at we love it.
God, inside is lovely. It's massive. It's actually massive. So that's the entrance to it. It's very big. You can see up the top here. I find it amazing that the tree is actually still staying alive on the outside, because the core of it, and I'm standing in the core of it, it's born and it's massive. It's absolutely massive. I don't know how will I get out of here. I give the camera to Machi. It's big, huh? Lovely. So I think it's time for lunch, do you agree?
Oh, 100%. Thank God she said that.
We completed our tour in the forest and we're just heading for a Safarangi dessert. But you know, there's this beautiful old, what is a mosque now, that used to be of a Tibetan architecture. And there it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I think when you look at it from the distance, you can see it much better. A stunning piece of work, and still standing strong against the mountains. So yeah, it serves as a mosque those days, but I know it has a Tibetan Buddhism origin. The timber work is just exceptional. And from my understanding, it's still used up to this day. How do you think of it?
Very nice.
Stunning, huh? It's very old. I was actually reading about it this morning. Yeah, very nice. No one wants to help us, no one wants to answer us any questions, they're not very helpful. So